Bro. Oh, it's gonna be weird not having this back. It's going. It's getting sold. Oh shit, I nearly died. Okay, maybe the brakes aren't the best, but it's fine. Just need a bit more pressure. I just need different brakes. Need a different bike, that's what it is. Big jump. Whoa, why is my suspension feeling smooth right now? I'll have to sell the bike and it's like actually working for once as well. What? Do I not sell it anymore? What's going on? Is it trying to stay to me? It's actually being butter. What the fuck? It's being nice. That's so strange. Bro, I'm so sketchy when it is pitch black. Look at this. Yeah, no, I can't see anything. No, like it looks dark on camera. Whoa. That is not it. Fuck, it's cold. Especially when you're like going 36 in a hoodie. Oh, yo. I'm like, oh. That doesn't look like an undercover at all, does it? The Golf behind me. Whoa, my back tyre got wobbly then. I was like sideways on that roundabout, on that corner. It felt low, like the pressure. Oh, that was not nice. But it's got pressure, I mean. To an extent. Come on, buddy. Fucking hell. That time you off is going to be fucking daylight, honestly. Literally. Come on, the boy. That was sick. The best come across on video, I swear to God. That was a fucking interesting manoeuvre, shall we say. Right, bro. That was so shit. I thought I was going a bit too quick and I forgot where that thing was. Nah, well bad. Everywhere, that one. Oh my god, it was GTR. I didn't see that. Why did I think it was like some dodgy shitty car? Oh bro, I wanted to see that. That is so sick. I can feel the heat coming from his exhaust. That is clean. Getting rollers with a Nissan GTR. Fucking hell, I'm gonna crash by accident. Not like I'd mean to do it on purpose anyway, but Do you know what I mean? Oh, he looks like he's a security. Fuck's sake. I can't be bothered just getting on people's nerves, do you know what I mean? I do want to wheelie across that bridge though. Fuck him, he doesn't even know we're here. Is he security? Is he just like... He's got some sort of a vest on. God knows. Oh my god. Oh shit. Whoa. Bush. George Bush. Oh fuck, whoa. What today? Why is this one, that one? Which one? Bro, there's so many of these little tunnels, I'm fucking lost. I'm trying to find one specific one though. Oh, Vlad. Left. This one. I love how they put them bollards in the place so you can't like go on it. Doesn't really work, does it, pal? Go on, let's get 50. Bro, it's just fluctuating between 48 and 49. Fuck's sake. Go on, you only passed. We'll let you take off. Slowly. Maybe not too slow, fuck it. Gonna get rear-ended.